The next Unpacked event is just around the corner, and as usual, all the Samsung surprises have already been leaked. Sure, leaks aren't always 100% reliable, but when one of the top accessory brands in the world, like Dbrand, casually uploads a ton of renders to their site, well, that's a different story. Dbrand, known for being pretty vocal, just dropped a bunch of renders of the Galaxy S25 series smartphones, decked out in a variety of their custom skins. This isn't the first time Dbrand has spilled the beans either. Just last month, they revealed details about a new case for the rumored Nintendo Switch 2. But now, it's all about Samsung's upcoming devices. If you head over to their Galaxy S25 skin customizer tool, you can get a general idea of what to expect. While it doesn't reveal anything we haven't already seen, it does confirm that Samsung is definitely ditching the rounded edges for a more squared-off slab design. This is something we've already seen in a lot of other top Android phones, and after the Galaxy S24 Ultra's edges were flattened, it was pretty clear the Ultra series was going this route too. Well, now it looks like all three models, the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, will share this flat design. As for the cameras, not much is changing. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will look nearly identical, with a triple camera setup arranged vertically, plus an LED flash. The S25 Ultra, as expected, keeps its 5 rear cameras, with the flash placed between the telephoto lens and the laser AF sensor. One thing missing? The rumored Galaxy S25 Slim. This fourth model has been floating around, but we don't know if it'll show up at Galaxy Unpacked, or if it's going to make a later appearance. Dbrand might just be using placeholder renders based on previous leaks, but honestly, with all the leaks already circulating, we're not too convinced by that idea. We've still got some time before Galaxy Unpacked, though, so expect plenty more leaks and details to pop up in the meantime. So, what do you think of these new skins for the Galaxy S25 lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.